Hollywood Walk of Fame is a super famous spot for tourists worldwide. Today I'm showing you this awesome place on Hollywood Boulevard. In this area traffic can get a bit crazy, but is all a part of the experience. There are always a lot of people walking around taking pictures and trying to find their loved stars. The Walk of Fame is 1.3 miles long and has over 2,700 stars. People from all over the world come here to see stars and feel some Hollywood magic. The Walk of Fame is split in 5 sections: movie, TV, radio, music and live theater. You will see folks from different countries and hear lots of languages. As you're walking along the Walk of Fame, you may even see some of your loved movie characters. There are a number of custom characters who pose for pictures with tourists. You may see Spider-Man, Batman, or even Transformer. You will also find street performers and artists doing their thing along the Walk of Fame. Musicians play music, dancers show off their move, and artists paint cool pictures. They make the place feel alive and special. But there is also you can see many scams. Some folks may try to trick you into playing games where they act like they are winning money. It's just a way to take your cash, so be careful. The Chinese Theater is a super famous movie place of Hollywood Boulevard. It's known for looking like a Chinese building and for having a famous people handprint and footprints out front. Some stores sell all sorts of the cool stuff like t-shirt, hat and little Oscar statues, perfect for remembering your Hollywood adventure. The Walk of Fame is like stepping into magic world of movie and fun. If you are ever in Los Angeles, don't miss out on the chance to walk here and feel a Hollywood vibe yourself. Also, I have created 360-degree VR video of Walk of Fame. You will find the link waiting for you in the description.